This whole process has been easy and exciting. The guys from Pavestone and Quikrete have been super impressive in not only helping us come up with designs that are going to work well with our space, but putting it together and kind of bringing it to life right in front of our eyes. They've all been so super helpful, even on things that weren't included in the giveaway. So I think it's been awesome working with them.
Yeah, they've been amazing and super helpful and super just going out of their way to help us out and go the extra mile. They've done an amazing job.
Yeah, I definitely think the materials and the design they came up with kind of fit our style, our house. It's a little bit more contemporary, not as much traditional in terms of the traditional layout and color scheme. So I think they did a really good job of kind of matching not only our house's style, but our style.